Alright, what is up you guys? And in today's video, I am going to be sinking my Titanic submersible model. So, grab it out of the water here. I did open up the window, that way it's easier to see it. I got my phone mounted so that I can film. I can use both hands, and so that I can explain to you guys how this works. Before we get into the sinkings, I guess I'll talk about how it works. So, take off the top decks here. As you can see, there's this little lever piece right here that goes down, okay? And if you look at it from this angle, you can see that it's like a hook. So yeah, and this piece right here, as you can see, that goes up. Well, first of all, it's on a hinge, and this piece right here is actually weighted, but it's hollow. And what the hollow things do when they go in water, they float. So since it floats up, watch this. When this piece floats up, this piece goes down. And what happens is the stern would be hooked on like this, and then as soon as that floats up, it's at an angle, obviously, in the water, so it's like that. As soon as this piece comes up, it unlatches from the stern of the ship, which I will give you one demonstration of it sinking without the top piece on. So let me do that real quick. Got the switch right here. Whoa. All right. So, yeah, it did sink pretty weirdly, but as you can see actually down there, the hollow piece is actually floating up. So it's actually floating up right here, as you can see. So when I press down on it, it just comes right back up, so that's why it unlatches. We'll try one more time with the top off. It doesn't really work very well with the top off, but sometimes it does. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Alright, we'll do some normal sinkings real quick. Do some normal sinkings and then we'll end the video. So I'm gonna do three of the braking mode, and then two of the non-braking mode. So put it in the water. So as you can see, the bow's taking on water. It's going under and split, and then stern. All right, take it out. All right. My phone is at 10%, so hopefully I can get this video done. All right, another non-braking mode, another braking mode. It's gonna split. Yep. Get it out. And we'll do another one really quick. I have to be really quick with these. My phone's gonna die pretty soon. I want to get the whole entire video through, but I'm warning you right now while my phone isn't dead that this video might be short. All right, so that was the third sinking. Now we're gonna do two non-braking modes. Here's what it normally does on non-braking mode. So as you can see, here's the switch. Put it on non-braking mode. This is what it normally does when you just sit it in the water normally on non-braking mode. Let's pull it back here. It's gonna take a minute to sink, but if we, what? That's not normal. So it's actually sinking from the front? Yeah, it's sinking from the front. What the heck? Well, normally on non-braking mode, it sinks from the back, the stern first, but it's actually sinking from the back, or no, sinking from the stern. I could have sworn it looked like it was sinking from the stern, but it's sinking from the bow. Oh, it's getting in the sunlight. See? That's what it normally does. Now, here's what you do if you want it to sink from the front. I'm going to undo it here real quick. All right. So here's how you make it sink from the front on non-break. Well, put that in right there. Lock it in place. All right. Make sure it's non-braking mode. Yep. All right. So here's what you do if you want it to sink from the front. Here, I'll put it at your guys' angle. You just put it under a little bit for like 10 seconds. And that should be enough to get the water up front. All right. Now you just let it be. And it should sink from the front on non-braking mode. Yep, as you can see, it's taking on water from the front. And I'll get the old Titanic out of the way. So as you can see, that's how you do it on non-braking mode if you want to sink from the front. And also, I just got myself soaking wet. Oh well. I know some of you probably want to see the non-braking mode once again, so I'll do one more non-braking mode for you guys. Oh, and also, after this is done sinking, someone said that they wanted to see my old one, or asked me if I could sell it. It split a little late, but if I could sell it, I was thinking about selling it at first, you know, just as like extra parts. But as you can see, the connector piece is gone. The slider piece is like almost falling out. There's one on eBay that's pretty much the same as mine. It just has the connector piece in the mast. And it's going for about $50. So, I mean, mine I could probably get about 35, maybe 40 if I'm lucky. Here's what happens when you put this one in, if some of you are wondering. Just drop it in. Yep, sinks from the back. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Bye!